Hello, this is Frank Balsamo from Pelican Wire, Director of Sales and Marketing here. This is our first time exhibiting at the CUAV show in Las Vegas. Very successful show. We're happy we came, and I want to tell you a little bit of an introduction to Pelican Wire. I always try to tell people what we do. We sell 3 types of wire. What we're known for is resistance wire for generating heat applications. We also manufacture a very specialized thermocouple and RTD wire, which measures temperature. And all the unique manufacturing processes that we have allow us to manufacture some really specialized, custom-engineered wire solutions for your unique applications. What we found out at this show is there are a lot of folks here, as this industry is expanding, that have wiring cable issues. That may be with the tether in your system. If you need a standard solution you're using, that you want to customize it, we're the folks that you should talk to. If you have some sort of heating problem to solve with maybe de-icing or some sort of heating application for the drone's environment, come to us. We're happy to help you solve it. What we're known for is working closely with our customers, engineer to engineer, helping you figure out the solutions to problems that you're just coming across. Typically, cable problems are the last thing that come up in issues like drones and the manufacturing process, but that's what we're here for. We know this. We learned a lot from this show, and we've signed up for next year. We hope to see you next year at the show. Thank you.